From the team here at Men's Hard Reset, welcome. I'm Scott Finn, and if this is your first time here, let me tell you what this channel is all about. Sitting down after a long week, talking honestly about life and about the things that we don't like to say out loud. Those questions that keep us awake at 2 o'clock in the morning. Look, I don't pretend to have all the answers. At 57 years old, well, I'm still learning. And like most men, I've had wins that I am absolutely grateful for. But I've also been left for dead in the dirt. I can promise you one thing. Everything we do here will be honest. Sometimes we're going to challenge you. Other times you're going to laugh. Sometimes we're going to make you uncomfortable because we're going to get close to home. That every time you leave this channel, you leave thinking a little differently. Carry a little more hope with you. And know that you're not the only one going through that. If you're looking for a place where you can hear real conversations without pretending to have everything together, you're in the right place. So pull up a chair, stay a while, subscribe, hit the bell. And again, from the entire team here, welcome. I'm Scott Finn for Men's Hard Reset. Let's live life on our terms.